Have you ever wondered how an electric car actually works? It's a fascinating blend of modern technology and engineering.
Absolutely, it's quite a departure from traditional internal combustion engines. Electric cars, or EVs, rely on electric motors to drive the wheels. These motors are powered by a large battery pack, typically made up of lithium-ion cells.
Right. Instead of burning fuel to create energy, electric cars use chemical energy stored in batteries. The battery pack is essentially the heart of the car. When you press the accelerator, the car's controller takes power from the batteries and sends it to the electric motor.
The motor is quite interesting because it's much simpler and more efficient than a combustion engine. Electric motors convert electrical energy into mechanical energy through the interaction of magnetic fields. This process is much more efficient, with less energy wasted as heat.
And the beauty of this system is that it provides instant torque. That's why electric cars can accelerate so quickly. There's no need for a complex transmission system. The motor delivers power directly to the wheels almost instantaneously.
Speaking of efficiency, the regenerative braking system is another key feature of electric cars. When you brake, the electric motor acts as a generator, converting the kinetic energy back into electrical energy, which is then stored in the battery. This not only extends the driving range but also reduces wear on the brake pads.
It's an elegant solution. And let's not forget the role of the power electronics, which manage the flow of electricity from the battery to the motor. These components ensure that the motor receives the correct voltage and current for the desired speed and torque.
Power electronics also handle the charging process. When you plug an electric car into a charging station, the onboard charger converts the AC power from the grid into DC power to charge the battery. There are different levels of charging, from slow level 1 chargers that use a standard household outlet to fast level 3 chargers that can recharge the battery in a matter of minutes.
The infrastructure for charging is expanding rapidly. Many countries are investing in public charging networks to make it easier for people to own and operate electric cars. Home charging stations are also becoming more common, allowing owners to conveniently charge their cars overnight.
And then there's the whole aspect of battery management. Modern electric cars have sophisticated battery management systems that monitor the health and performance of each cell in the battery pack. This ensures optimal performance and longevity, as well as safety.
Safety is paramount. Electric cars are designed with multiple layers of protection to prevent overheating and short circuits. The battery pack is usually encased in a protective shell and equipped with cooling systems to maintain the ideal operating temperature.
The advances in battery technology have been remarkable. The energy density of lithium-ion batteries has improved significantly over the years, allowing for greater driving ranges. Some of the latest electric cars can travel over 300 miles on a single charge.
And with the advent of solid-state batteries, we can expect even more improvements in range, charging times, and safety. These batteries use solid electrolytes instead of liquid ones, which can potentially offer higher energy densities and faster charging capabilities.
The environmental benefits of electric cars are also a major selling point. They produce zero tailpipe emissions, which helps reduce air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. This is crucial for combating climate change and improving urban air quality.
And let's not forget the reduction in noise pollution. Electric cars are much quieter than their gasoline counterparts, making for a more pleasant and peaceful driving experience, especially in urban areas.
The maintenance costs are generally lower too. With fewer moving parts, electric cars require less frequent servicing. There's no need for oil changes, and the brakes last longer thanks to regenerative braking.
It's interesting how the shift to electric vehicles is also influencing other sectors. The demand for renewable energy sources is increasing as people look for cleaner ways to generate the electricity needed to power these cars.
And we're seeing a push for advancements in grid infrastructure and energy storage solutions. As more people adopt electric vehicles, it's essential to have a reliable and efficient power grid that can handle the increased demand.
The integration of smart technologies is another exciting development. Many electric cars come equipped with features like advanced driver assistance systems, over-the-air software updates, and connectivity that allows them to communicate with the grid and other vehicles.
The concept of vehicle-to-grid technology is particularly intriguing. This allows electric cars to act as mobile energy storage units, feeding electricity back into the grid during peak demand periods. It's a way to balance supply and demand and make the energy system more resilient.
We're really at the beginning of a major transformation in transportation. The shift to electric vehicles is just one part of a broader movement towards sustainable and intelligent mobility solutions.
Indeed, autonomous driving, car-sharing services, and the integration of artificial intelligence are all part of the future landscape. Electric vehicles are a crucial piece of the puzzle, providing a cleaner and more efficient means of transportation.
The adoption rate of electric vehicles is accelerating, driven by advancements in technology, supportive policies, and increasing consumer awareness. Governments around the world are setting ambitious targets for reducing carbon emissions and promoting the use of electric vehicles.
And the automotive industry is responding with significant investments in electric vehicle development. Traditional automakers are transitioning their production lines, while new players are entering the market with innovative designs and technologies.
It's a dynamic and rapidly evolving field. The challenges are significant, but so are the opportunities. By embracing electric vehicles, we're taking a crucial step towards a more sustainable and resilient future.
Absolutely. The journey towards widespread electric vehicle adoption will involve continued innovation, collaboration, and commitment, but the benefits for our environment, our health, and our quality of life are well worth the effort.
As we look ahead, it's clear that electric vehicles will play a central role in shaping the future of transportation. With ongoing advancements and a collective focus on sustainability, we're driving towards a cleaner, smarter, and more connected world.
And as more people experience the benefits of electric vehicles, from the smooth and quiet ride to the reduced environmental impact, the momentum will only continue to grow. We're on the brink of a transportation revolution, and electric vehicles are leading the way.